Here we go. 3, 2, 1. What's up guys, Christian here, and today I'm so excited to show you the world's first extreme drop test on the Samsung Galaxy S8. We're gonna do something really cool. Don't expect me to do the normal boring drop test. We do cool stuff here. So I'm gonna grab this phone, hook it up to a drone, and take it all the way up to 1,000 feet, and then we're gonna let it drop. I'm so curious to find out what happens to this phone after a 1,000 foot drop. The Note 7 did so good. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. The Samsung Galaxy Note 7 did amazing. I'm not gonna spoil it for you, but the results are surprising. Anyways, I'm so curious to see if Samsung really built this phone better than the Note 7. And without further ado, let's go outside, let's go have fun and drop the phone.
Laying in your bed, fighting ghosts in my head, wish that I could let you go. Remember all we had, how could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn, when your heart is set to burn, fading away, until the light will return. Someone bring me back to the time.
Alright, guys, here we go. We have the Samsung Galaxy S8 ready to be dropped. Let's go! By the way guys, something really quick. We're giving away a brand new Samsung Galaxy S8. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you click on the link on the description to see how you can enter the giveaway. Follow me on Instagram because I'm going to announce the winner through Instagram. So thank you, keep watching and enjoy the video. We are still going up. We're going to go all the way up to 1,000 feet. You can see here the screen. We're still going up. Everything looks smooth and steady. So we're going to keep going. We're going to go all the way to 1,000 feet. So it's going to be quite a long flight. The phone is so high. I don't know if it's going to survive this drop, but we're going to find out in just a few seconds. Ready? Here we go. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And it's coming. It's coming. 3, 2, 1. The phone is still alive. Check this out. I think I could still use this phone. Okay, the back smashed. The glass is all broken. We're gonna take everything off, we're gonna get it cleaned up, and we're gonna see what happened. Alright guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy S8. This is after the impact. If you see the back, it's fully cracked. All the screen, all the glass is cracked. The camera, I think it got damaged because it doesn't work anymore. The camera is broken. But the phone is a survivor. You can still use this phone as your normal phone. So everything works except the camera. I've tested it, everything works. You can make calls, you can use this phone still without any problems, but it's fully cracked. But overall, it's a very durable phone. You can see it's a little bent, but I was surprised by the results. Anyways, we give this phone an extreme durability test score of 7.9. Alright guys, so that was all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. We're giving away a brand new Samsung Galaxy S8, so check out the description of this video to see how you can enter it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss anything, and I'll see you in the next